Good morning. Bonjour. It's unboxing time. I've just received my order from Just For You Online UK, and I wanted to show you a couple of things that I'm not sure some of you are aware of. The clocks. They're artboards, and there's different sizes. So this one is a 40 centimeter clock, and this one is 50, and I must say I absolutely love working with them. Absolutely love them. And I've got one on the table at the moment ready to rock and roll. They're mounted. They are actually really light. Love working with them. I also ordered some more silicone mats, and these ones are the small. I needed some more for my work table. Love the stir sticks. Every time I place an order, I buy a few more because it saves on rubbish. These can be reused over and over again. Let me find you one. So this is one that has cured, and all you need to do is just bend it and the resin peels off, and you have a brand new stick all over again, as opposed to using these, which eventually, you know, have so much rubbish on them that they have to be thrown, whereas these you can keep for life. So I always buy more. I buy some in every single order. And what else have I got to show you? I obviously use, as you know, tons of gold leaf, and I wanted to show you this amazing product. It's called the Luxury Sparkle Mica powder, and it is divine. Look at that. Now you can use it on its own, or if you put it with colors, in don't breathe over it. In particular pastel colors, it gives you the most amazing effect. So if you haven't tried this product, give it a go. It is called Luxury Sparkle Mica powder. Absolutely divine. Now, for those of you who haven't tried the new colors, you absolutely have to give them a go. The sky blue, the sapphire blue, and the twilight blue, and I'm missing one, which should be the Prussian blue. Did I not order another one? Doesn't look like it. I know I've got, oh, there it is, the Prussian blue. They are just so amazing. So that's the Prussian blue. And then you have the twilight blue. And then you have the sapphire blue. I mean, look at these colors. Look at these blues. And then lastly, the sky blue. So these are 4 new blues with Just For You Online UK. And I am addicted to these blues. absolutely addicted to these blues. Love them. What else can I show you? The beautiful fine glitter, which is the teal. It is so pretty. Look at that. So if you guys haven't been, I won't show you everything else. Some of the things you probably know already. I've got the gold glitter. That's another twilight blue. If you haven't worked with the shell pigment, give that a go, because it's got different colors. So it's not a one color pigment. It is, as the name kind of suggests, shell, but it has this magnificent pearlescence and gold, sorry, over my veins, that doesn't look great, to it. And it is absolutely stunning. And now that my hands and fingers are covered. So, if you guys haven't been buying for a while, give these new colors a go. Oh, I've got to show you the iris. The iris purple is just absolutely stunning. They're all stunning. And I'm not normally, you know, this kind of color girl. But where can I do it? Oh, I've mixed it with blue. Sorry. Let's try that again. It is just, in resin, it comes out so beautifully. So if you guys haven't tried these new colors, give them a go. You can use the code Valerie in capital letters to save 10% on an order of 4 products or more. Go and have a look at their website. They've got some amazing stuff now. They always have done, and this is a new one for me. I hadn't bought it until now. Every time I wanted it, it was out of stock. And it is the crystal silver, which I'm excited in trying. Let's find a way to open this. Look at that. Beautiful color. So, that's it from me, guys. Lots of love, and I will see you guys later. Bye.